Hey, Algebra 2, Mrs. Landon here. I hope you had a great weekend, and we are going to kick off week 4 here of our distance learning. I want to show you what you can expect this week. We are scheduled to meet 3 days, so Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is us. So let's take a look at the calendar real quickly. We only have one more section to learn for chapter 7, so it's called inverse functions. There's a lot of puzzle pieces. I recommend when you do section 7.5 to watch the one short video and then do like objective A's homework and watch video B and do that homework and so forth. It just is a nice way to break the longer section down into smaller pieces. We're then going to spend Wednesday and Friday getting ready for our test, which is scheduled for Tuesday. This test is online and is a blue puzzle piece. It's formative points. So it's just like homework, but it's going to be a lot more points than homework kind of thing. You know, expect maybe 20 to 15% of your chapter learning that's how many points are going to be worth this particular test. So you can have your notes and you have your old workout in front of you. Just take your time and do your best at that. But what you can expect on Wednesday is some review assignments. So take a look at that, and you're going to have some upload work that I want you to do for this. And then on Friday, I am going to have looks like a Kahoot review for you to do. There's a Zoom session here I'm going to open up at 1 o'clock. So we meet technically from 12:15 to 1:30 is our scheduled class time. So about the last half an hour, I'm just going to open up a Zoom session. And if we click on this, the help session, you're going to have the meeting information. So feel free to join anytime between 1 and 1:30 if you have specific questions. A lot of you have done a really good job, though. If you just have questions right now, you shoot me an email and you're like, hey, can we have a Zoom session? And I set one up and I answer your questions. So please continue doing that. It's been really great. And I like that I'm able to write on my iPad and show you on the screen. I also have other resources for help. Keep in mind, Mrs. Barnes is the chemistry para, and she's also going to help out with Algebra 2. So if you want some extra resources besides me, Mrs. Barnes is a great person to get in contact with. Let me know and I can give you her information. She's more than happy to Zoom with you also and help you out with your math. Continue reaching out to me. Let me know what questions you have. Please do keep in mind, though, by the way, the test is coming up, right? This next Tuesday, not this Tuesday, the next Tuesday. All of your chapter homework needs to be done by that next deadline. So the test is scheduled for the 28th, but remember, we give you to the next class period to finish it. So it's the due date, it schedules the 28th. On the 30th, that is when this chapter 7 test has to be done. And that's when all the homework has to be done. So put in your head, 9 a.m., April 30th is the deadline to finish chapter 7. So if you have lots to do, just try to pace it out, maybe work on it over the weekend. But make sure you make that deadline because I cannot take any more homework after Thursday, April 30th. Have a great week. Talk to you later.